Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using Pipedrive and want a quick, no confusion way to see exactly what you need to get done today, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple method to view your daily activities and get a clear overview of your entire week in just a few clicks. In today's video, I'll show you how to check your daily activities in Pipedrive in under 3 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to see what's on your schedule today, plus get a quick overview of the rest of your week, all without digging through unnecessary menus. Start by going to the left-hand sidebar and clicking on Activities. This section acts as your main workspace for everything you need to handle in Pipedrive, including calls, meetings, emails, and follow-ups. While the default list gives you a breakdown of scheduled tasks, we'll switch to a more visual, time-based layout using the calendar view. At the top left of the Activities page, locate the small calendar icon and click on it. This will instantly transform your view from a simple list into a structured calendar, making it much easier to scan your schedule at a glance. Once you're in the calendar view, today's date will be clearly highlighted, helping you immediately focus on what matters. You'll also see all your activities spread out across the week, allowing you to quickly identify what needs attention, where your busy periods are, and how your upcoming days look overall. If your current day appears empty, it simply means there are no scheduled tasks in this view, which can be useful for planning ahead or catching up on overdue items. While you're still in the calendar section, you can click on any open time slot or gap between scheduled tasks to add a new task. You can also open and edit these entries with full details, just like you would in the activities list. Think of this page as your daily control center. The highlight on today keeps you grounded, while the surrounding days give you a broader perspective so nothing sneaks up on you. Take a moment to review start times and durations, notice any tightly packed tasks, and make sure you've left enough space between important meetings. That small habit of reviewing your schedule can help prevent overlaps and ensure you're focusing on what truly matters. Having a full weekly view means you don't have to jump between different sections of Pipedrive just to understand your day. Everything is right there in one place. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and consider subscribing for more simple Pipedrive tutorials like this. Let me know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like to learn or if you want a deeper dive into any feature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.